Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. We've got something very exciting today happening on the big GQ. Something I talked about in the last video, and it's finally showed up while I was away in Melbourne this week for work. I did say I was doing some work with a suspension company, Dobinson. So all this gear has showed up. Yeah, you might be thinking, but what about the other lift in that thing? I wasn't actually a big fan of how it drove and handled. A bit rough for me. So I've been talking with Hayden at Dobinson, and we thought, you know what if we lowered the GQ? So I'm basically going back to, so it's a 3-inch lift at the moment, and now I'm going to a 2-inch, 2.5. So hopefully it settles to two inches, because 2 inches is good. Nothing wrong with 2 inches. Low and wide is what I want to achieve. And yeah, I think this Dobinson lift kit is going to help me with that. But just a bit about them. Yeah, these coils are basically a 2 to 2.5 inch flexi kit. So Ben Dobinson has been running these sorts of coils in his GQs for years, from what Hayden told me. And yeah, I've weighed the car, and the boys have custom valved the shocks, which are the MRAs, so bigger bore, fully adjustable. So I'm pretty keen to get this all in, and I go to Tassie next, or at the end of this week. So it's Sunday today. Friday I head down to Tassie with Pete and Tommy, so I've got to get a real good test down there. But I'm absolutely keen to get this in and see how it feels. So let's strap in. Oh yeah, I've got everything. Lower trailing arms, uppers, drag link, steering arm, everything. I think Hayden also said there's a adjustable steering dampener in there as well. So that's pretty cool. Should look pretty good up front. But I've got today and tomorrow to get this done. I'm going to start with the front though, because that'll be the easiest part. Oh yeah, and also all part of this as well, I did buy another diff housing, because if you do remember, or you've been watching along, I did cut the lower shock mounts off the diff that's in there, and I'm going back to standard everything, as much standard as possible in this lift kit now, because let's be honest, low and wide is where it's at, and I've done a lot of full driving with Pete, Ultimate 9, and there, that GU just walks through everything. So let's bring back 2-inch lifts, make them cool again. No need for that TikTok flex, I don't reckon. But without further ado, I reckon we unbox some stuff and start ripping the front end out. Get it done. Stay tuned, let's do it. So good morning, day 2. I think I actually had some technical difficulties with the sound yesterday. I did do a little bit of an ending, but I've been yeah, I'll sort that out somehow. I think there's a card issue. So this morning I've just started on the old Diff housing, so I just pulled off the brakes earlier. I just popped down and got some fluids. So we're going to get straight into this morning, because man, it'd be nice to have this all done by, you know, sort of lunchtime, I guess. But see how we go. It's a big day, it's going to be hot, so let's get straight into it. I'm excited. So I thought I'd just show you. So the reason I'm swapping over to this other Diff housing is, if you didn't see any of the previous videos, I did chop off the lower shock mounts on this Diff and raise them 80mm, which gave me heaps of droop. But on this new one, which is still a second handy, I'm just going back to standard. That way this whole kit works as supposed to and designed, and that's one less thing. It's just factory. That's all I want, which is very handy. So that's why I've gone back to this sort of setup. Slowly getting there. Got this Diff housing back in, and these arms are looking awesome. Cool in all black. The one good thing about all the Dobinson stuff is they use factory OE bushes, so no poly bushes or anything like that, spherical bushes. So these will last longer as well, because they're just like factory. Less maintenance, which is exactly what I need and I want. What I think I might do is, yeah, drop the Diff a touch, get the shocks in, and then yeah, put these coils in. I'm not filming some of the stuff, like putting on brake lines and brake calipers and stuff like that. To me, that's just really boring, and I'm just trying to get it done. So yeah, trying to film it and do it all at the same time is quite time consuming, and I want to get this done so I've got a few hours of servo, so I can tweak a few things and then go for a little spin in the bush and get it flexed up and see what it looks like, have a feel. But I'm slowly getting there, which is good. Progress, that's all I want. I tell you what, it's nice to be out of the driveway, but it's even, yeah, this whole driveway session it's taking a toll on me. I am absolutely knackered. I am sore, banged my elbow trying to adjust the panhard and everything, so I'm bloody cooked. But I'm just out here in Kelly Loop, just having a little spin. But so far so good. I've just set everything with the 2.6, so that's my baseline, so I'll work out and adjust all my settings from there, on-road and off-road. But it feels really good. I like a firmer suspension, so it's probably a little bit soft for me at the moment, but it's feeling good. I'm pretty keen to, yeah, get this out down on the tracks down in Tassie in a week or so. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. I'm going down there with Pete and his son Tommy and another bloke, so stay tuned for that. But check this out. Really got to work out the settings on this new camera. We've got some flex, baby. Almost dropping the wheels below the sill. But I'm frothing how it's looking and turning out. But it's only a quick one because I got an event, a random event that I got invited to tomorrow, so I've got to go home and get ready for that. But yeah, anyway, if you're still watching, thanks for staying with me. I don't know how many more of these install videos I'll be doing because I'm absolutely cooked. But big shout out to Dobinson for hooking me up with this suspension. And as I go through the videos and do some more filming, I'll give you my thoughts on it. But yeah, anyway, that's it for now. Got some young blokes up here smashing around in another patrol. Good on them. But anyway, thanks guys, thanks for sticking with me, watching me. Anyway guys, yeah, that's it for me. I guess I'll see you on the next one. Look at that thing. It's a bloody thing of beauty, mate. Woo!